Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be talking about this company called 6ice. So before Black Friday, I was looking for some great quality jewelry pieces. So I decided to give them a try. So this is going to be the unboxing review for this company. So as you can see, I just opened up this Cuban link, and I think this one is 18 inches, and as you can see, this thing is flawless. It glistens when the light hits it, and it's actually has some weight to it, and you can tell by just looking at it that the quality is top tier. So this next box I'm about to open is a mystery box that I ordered, and unfortunately the bracelet that came in it was way too big for my wrist, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's still a really nice bracelet with great quality. I really like the stones that's on it. They gave it that great detail. And I'm gonna make sure at the end of the video I will try on all these on so you can get a better look at it. And I also got the matching bracelet to match the necklace. So now moving on to the Cuban link. This is a 8.5 millimeter Cuban link, and of course I got it in gold, and I believe I got the gold in 16 inches, which is like kind of like a choker. And I absolutely love how this looks. Like, it just glistens with the light, y'all. I know I said this a million times in this video, but I love it. And I also got the matching bracelet, and I also got it the same one in silver as well, but this one is an 18 inch, which is kind of like collarbone length. So I got the silver one also with the matching bracelet. So next I bought two bangles. I got them in gold and silver, and all you do is press on this little button or notch and pull it apart. And I'm not gonna lie, you need a little elbow grease to pull it apart, but it's all right. But my favorite thing about this is the stones, the heart stone and the little square one, and then it's just surrounded by all the small little stones. I just think it gives it a great detail, and it's so cute on my wrist. And just in case you're wondering, my wrist is about a little over 7 inches, so I did go up to 8 inches for like my Cuban links, but I think with the bangles I went ahead and did 7 inches. And I did 7 inches because I believe the 8 inch was sold out, but it still worked out perfectly because it's not too big and it's not too tight around my wrist. The Cuban links and the other ones, they were slightly too big, so I probably should have got them in a 7 inch, but I feel like it just wasn't going to fit. All right, y'all, this is that 18 karat gold Cuban link, and this is what it looks like around my neck. And this is, I think I said earlier that this was an 18 inch. It's actually a 16. This is more of a choker, but it's still really like so freaking cute. Like, I always wanted me a Cuban link, so I'm like really excited about this. So this is the silver Cuban link, but this one is 18 inches. All right, and this is the 18K Cuban link, and this one is 18 inches as well. And that's what that looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. If you have any suggestions for my next video, please drop them in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.